Wait, why didn't you just lie to him? You could have messed with him.
I could lie with him. Oh yeah, I make
yeah, but then they'll be on
TV.
$5 million.
Where?
From, okay.
Oh, this is for me. Who's on this? Team 10?
I don't know. We just
All of us.
Took it off a wall.
you could like put it in the middle of your donut or
Actually,
something.
cool.
Yeah, you could get like free pop sockets with your face on it.
If you steal money from people, if you rob banks, you can actually make really good money. Fun fact, yeah. It's surprising how much money.
Oh my gosh.
Or you could have stuck it right
That
there.
won't come off
I don't
now.
want it on my bandana.
Oh, Billy, I was thinking pasties.
Your whole eye.
Okay, there. That's fantastic.
Good grip.
Oh my God, our face, our pictures is now
Billy
on.
the Fridge's face.
My face is now on Billy the
I got a
Fridge's
face on my face because my face is a face. I'm a face, kid. I'm a face.
Oh, bars.
Full 6 seconds of my time. Face. That's the best album for
Good.
New album, Face.
New album.
$65 on my website, merch god church. Buy it. England is my chitty bang bang.
You like Ohio fried chicken,
Making it
right?
rain, garbage. Yeah, that's right. No money. We're garbage humans now.
Oh yeah.
Ohio fried chicken?
Hi, fried chicken.
Oh, sorry. I gotta go.
All right, bye.
All right.
Bye, Billy.
Bye, Billy.